Hello everyone, let's write a C program that calculates a number's square root. So square root is a value which on multiply by itself gives the original number. So in order to find the square root of the number, we need to use this math.h header file which consists of the square root function. So now let's quickly declare two float variables, one with the name number and the second is answer. So let's take the inputs from the user, enter the number. So scanf to take the input. Now let's add the condition first. So if the number is less than 0, print the root is a complex number. Else the answer is equal to the square root of the number, and print the square root of the number is, so I'm using %.2f, which means print the value up to the 2 decimal places. Save the program and run it. So enter the number 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So thank you everyone for watching this program and like the video.